Hello, I'm going to show you now how to drain your pool when you have a cartridge filter. Now the first thing that you have to know with a cartridge filter is that you don't have to turn off the pump to adjust your settings to drain the pool. Now the first thing to do is to actually close the skimmer so that you won't be drawing water from the surface. So you simply turn your three-way valve, the off position, over the skimmer so that all of the suction comes from the main drain and the pump won't be sucking in any air once the water level lowers. Now just above the pump, the first valve that you'll see, usually a blue or a red valve that you'll have here, this is where you can turn the bypass on so that you can drain the pool. Now you'll have a little exit port at the end of your coupling. Now you want to make sure that you put the clamp on first. This is a 1.5 inch at least size clamp, and then you'll need a 1 inch rubber hose that you simply slide on top of the coupling here. Now you want to make sure it goes all the way down and that this is securely fastened in place with the clamp. Now with the clamp you simply use a flathead screwdriver to tighten this in place. Okay, and the hose shouldn't be able to pull off on its own. Now whenever you lay your hose out, make sure that it's unkinked and not twisted so that the water has a clear flow to go through. Now the rubber hose, depending on the quality of your hose, it might rip open if it's kinked. So you want to make sure that it's flat all the way to the drain point. Now speaking of drainage, you want to be conscious of your neighbor's property so that you don't cause any flooding there. And please note that you can't drain your pool into the storm sewer because the salt water from the pool can really damage the aquatic ecosystems in our local waterways. Now once all of this is set up, all you have to do when the pump is still on is open up this valve here, and then the water will be bypassed through the hose to the drain point. Now you want to keep an eye on the water level as it's going down, and you'll stop the pump whenever the water level is 1 inch below the return. So those are the jets that you have on the side walls of the pool. Now for those of you who have a variable speed pump, a little hint for you, you can put your pump into high speed mode so that you can accelerate the draining process. Thank you.